Are you looking for a cozy apartment with pool, terrace, and your own parking space with good price? Let me show you the new listing in Llano del Camello. Hello, I am Elisabeth from Luxury World Properties. Welcome to this apartments in Malvasia II complex. Let me show you that lovely apartment in Llano del Camello. Come with me. This is the kitchen with all electrodomestics: fridge, washing machine, dishwasher and microwave. And this is the bright living room with the dining table, the sofa and the direct access to the terrace. And then we are in the bedroom with window and the two big wardrobes and the access to the bathroom. There is one full bathroom and 5 square meter terrace with views of the pool and common areas, either for relaxing or enjoying your morning coffee. The complex has a swimming pool, a garden and the children's playground. This home is located Llano del Camello, close to shops, service and schools. If you would like that apartment or if you like the visit, just contact me or contact Luxury World Properties. Bye!